All right, let's have a little party in here. You ready? Let me see somebody get your hands rocking like this. Hey, hey, hey. Well, I love my boots broken, I love my camo hat. Don't mind a little paint on my jeans, yeah, roll like that. I love to drive my truck across them railroad tracks. If you hit them too quick, they'll hit you right back. I love a fresh cut feel with the first frost on, how it shines like gold when the sun turns on. I love the sound of them wheels, my baby singing along when Y108 comes on. Let's go. I love a small town world, I love a country girl, I love a Friday night. Sound of an older road rolling through my mind. Man, I love this life. Come on, get them hands rocking like this. Hey, 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 hey. Well, I love that county line bar where they all know my drink. The way she throws her hands up when that double band plays. I love the taste of her lips when she's been sipping that wine. Still get drunk on her head. Let's go. I love a small town world, I love a country girl, I love a Friday night. And I love this life, sound of an older road rolling through my mind. Man, I love this life. Oh, hey. Man, I love this life. Oh. My grandpa made. It was my whole world back in my innocent days. I love that little white church out on 109. Swear I hit my knees and I thank the Lord for this life of mine. Somebody thank the Lord. I love a small town world, I love a country girl, I love a Friday night. Rolling through my mind, man, I love this life. Let's go. Whoa, sound good. Man, I love this life. Whoa, come on. Mr. Zach Top on the guitar. All the way to the top of the mountain. Hey, thank you, Zach. All right, all you got to do is repeat after me and my brother as loud as you can, all right? Here we go. Come on, turn it up. Come on, Chris, here we go. Whoa! Yeah! Let's do it again. Come on. Whoa! Sound good. Come on. Whoa! One more time. Everything you got. Whoa! Come on. Everybody get your hands up. I love a small town world. I love a country girl. I love a Friday night. Sound of an older road rolling through my mind. Man, I love this life. Whoa. Man, I love young down there. Make some noise for Y108, the best dang country station in the USA.